Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So Google just launched another model which is called Gemma 4. Now this is a special model because this is built on top of the Gemini 3 technology and based on the benchmarks that right now which is 20 times larger than any other competitors. And this model you can download this and run this model locally on your computer for free. So the Gemma 4 is released under fully open commercially permissive Apache 2 license. That means you can do almost anything you want with this model. Full freedom, no credits, no nothing, unlimited. So today I'm going to show you how to download and install Gemma 4 and run it locally on your PC. So to download the latest model of Gemma 4, you need to download an app which is called Ollama. So first, you just need to open a browser and go to this ollama.com. I'll give the link in my description box so you can download it. And you just need to click on this download option if you have Windows or Linux or Mac OS. Download for the Windows, as we're going to download this on install on Windows. So after this, it will download a file which is 1.8 GB. Installing the Ollama is pretty easy. You can watch this video if you want to see that, but just click next, 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 and it will install on your PC. And after installing it, if I search for Ollama here, Ollama app, and this will open like this. Now you can see there's lots of model here. Now we need to download the Gemma 4 from here. So if I search for Gemma, you can see there's a lot of option here. Gemma 4 31 billion parameter, 26 billion. But we're going to download the default one, which is going to be best for my PC. And I'm running this on my with the GPU of 350 RTX 6 GB and with just 16 GB of RAM. So you just need to click on this download here. And after clicking the download, you might not see anything like why is it's being downloaded. But if you go to the search bar and search for CMD and run as a, and here if you just type, just give this command Ollama pull Gemma 4, and if I please enter, and press enter. And as you can see, currently is right now it's being downloaded and being installed on my PC, which is 9.6 GB. First time I made a mistake where I give a space here, so don't make a mistake like this. And as you can see, I click the download and it's been downloaded on my PC. You can see that. So it will take some time to download and install. So after installing it, I'll show you how to use that. Okay, so as you can see, everything has been done and it's now installed on my PC. So to run this model, you don't need anything fancy. 8 gigabytes of RAM and a decent CPU will run this model on your PC. So if I go back to my Ollama here again, and you can see if I search for Gemma here, there is no download button here. So it's totally down installed on my PC. So if I just, so let me just select this model here and let me just turn off the Wi-Fi right now. So let me just test out the model here. As you can see right now, I'm currently not using any internet here. So let me just simply say hi. And as you can see, within just 1 second, it's replied me. Now let me just give some complex prompt here. I give a prompt here: act as a budget conscious nutritionist, create a 3-day high protein vegetarian meal plan for me. So I don't have any time to cook. And so this is going to be a very complicated prompt from this model. Let's see if it can do this in seconds. Now it's thinking, narrowing down the meals and that I want. Now it's planning the strategy. And I only have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it's going to take some time. So as you can see, it took 50 seconds to give me the result here, and it also giving me the list what I need to do if I want to the notebook high protein vegetarian plan in 3 days, which is pretty good actually for to run this model without internet with your CPU or RAM or the GPU that you have. So it has given me the total plan of 3-day meal plan. Now I want to test out of the emotional tone and the intelligence of like a human. Can it act like a human? So I'm just going to give this prompt here. I need to write an email to my landlord. There has been loud construction next door for 3 months, and I want to ask for a 10% rent reduction. So the model need to write this email for me, polite and persuasive, not aggressive. So keep it under 150 words, and let's see, can it write a email, human-like email from him? So it's to send. So it starts thinking right now. So as you can see, it only took 6 seconds, and let me see the email is okay. I'm writing regarding the ongoing construction. Okay, this looks pretty good. Yeah, this is actually what I want. So this is pretty good. Now let me test of the image here. So I'm just going to upload an image here. So this is the image of file setting of MSI. Let me describe what I need to do. So tell me what's in the image and click submit. So as you can see, it's detected that this is a BIOS settings, and this is under the advanced mode. Okay, so it took 38 seconds to get everything from this image. So this is a kind of advanced image for this model, like it has in the German language the UEFI BIOS settings. And as you can see, it's also detected that the language is German and what's in the image. So everything is great here. And it giving me all the things that is included on the image. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. You can also write code with it, like you can ask it to generate any type of code and it will generate the code here and it will work on your browser. So this is how you can run the model locally on your PC without internet for free, without any limitation. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.